Happy morning, children. Welcome back to Sheba Group online class. How are you, children? I hope everyone is fine with your family. Today we are going to write our social class work. Come on, let's move to our class. Students, everyone take 192 pages ruled social class work. Already we have written the first lesson. Now we are going to write the second lesson, 5 landforms. Come on, children, let's start writing our class work. So before that, take a fresh page, draw 2 lines. In our early classes I taught you how to draw lines. First line should be drawn on the margin. Leave the first line, draw the line in the second line. Clear? First draw the line. First line should be drawn on the margin. Leave the first line, draw the second line on the second. And using your pencil and scale, children, don't draw in a free hand. Now take your blue stick pen. It won't harm your fingers. So write only with a blue stick pen. Whenever we are writing, we have to insist date of the class work we have written. Okay, children, date is must one. So write the date in the margin, that is 10/9. We have left a line in here, children. In the middle, we have to write the name of the lesson. What's the name, children? Yes, it is lesson name 5 landforms. 5 space landforms. F and L should be in capital. Give a finger gap. Spell it, pronounce and write, children. 5 landforms. Now we are going to write the first Roman letter, which is dictation words. We are going to write 5 numbers in this Roman letter. So write the first Roman letter in the margin, dictation words, and the number is 5. Clear, children? Now after writing the heading of the dictation words, give one line, children. Leave one line. Start writing the serial number in the margin. Start from 1. I am going to pronounce it. Come on, children. Come on, pronounce along with me, children. Kurunji. What the first word? Kurunji. Leave one line, children. Second word, mullai. Second word, mullai. Again leave one line, children. Third one, marudam. Marudam. Leave a line. Fourth one, neidal. Leave a line, children. And the fifth word, palai. After writing these words, just check the spelling and come on, spell along with me. Kurunji. K-U-R-I-N-J-I. Kurunji. K-U-R-I-N-J-I. Kurunji. Mullai. M-U-L-L-A-I. Mullai. Write neatly, children. The first letter should be in capital. Don't scribble. And the third word, marudam. M-A-R-U-T-H-A-M. Marudam. M-A-R-U-T-H-A-M. Marudam. Neidal. N-E-I-T-H-A-L. Neidal. N-E-I-T-H-A-L. Neidal. And the last word, palai. P-A-L-A-I. Palai. P-A-L-A-I. Palai. Children, from these words, what do you assume, children? Yes, you are right. It is the 5 landforms of Asian Tamil Nadu: Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal and Palai. After writing this, draw a line with your scale and pencil. Children, now we are going to write the second Roman letter. Fill in the blanks. Children, if you have a space below the first Roman letter, you may continue. Otherwise, take a fresh page. So, second Roman letter, write in the margin. Fill in the blanks. We are going to write 4 numbers. Fill space in space the space blanks. Clear, children? Yes. Now we can start writing the fill in the blanks. After writing the heading for the second Roman letter, leave one line. Start the serial number from the margin. It starts from 1. Now I am going to read the fill up for you, children. Come on. The vast flat land on the earth is called dash. What's the answer, children? Plain. Let me spell it. P-L-A-I-N. Plain. Come on, spell it along with me. P-L-A-I-N. Plain. Whenever you are writing pronouns and write, children, it is very necessary. After writing the first one, leave one line, children. Start the number 2 from the margin. So 2 in the margin. First, the answer they have given, Kiri Parai Reserve. Forest is located in Kanyakumari district. Again I am repeating, Kiri Parai Reserve. Forest is located in Kanyakumari district. So come on, let us pronounce the word Kiri. K-E-E-R-I. Kiri. K-E-E-R-I. Kiri. Parai. P-A-R-A-I. Parai. P-A-R-A-I. Parai. Reserve. R-E-S-E-R-V-E. Reserve. R-E-S-E-R-V-E. Reserve. After writing, check the spelling, children. Underline the answer. Fill the blanks answer with the scale and pencil. Don't forget it. And after writing the second one, leave one line. Start 3 serial number in the margin. Start from the margin and the first letter should be in capital. Let me read it. Sundarbans is the biggest mangrove forest in India. Full stop. Full stop is necessary, children. Sundarbans is the biggest mangrove forest in India. Come on, let us spell the word Sundarbans. S-U-N-D-E-R-B-A-N-S. Sundarbans. S-U-N-D-E-R-B-A-N-S. Sundarbans. Underline the word, children. After completing the third one, what we have to do? Yes, you are right. We have to leave one line. Come on, we are going to write the serial number 4. Where we have to write? Yes, in the margin. Start with the capital letter. Marina Beach is located in. Guess the answer, children, where it is? Yes, you are right. It is in Chennai, the most famous place. Marina Beach is located in Chennai. Let us spell the word C-H-E-N-N-A-I. Chennai. C-H-E-N-N-A-I. Chennai. After completing each and every sentence, children, it is compulsory to keep a full stop at the end of a sentence. Don't forget it. Don't scribble. Write neatly. Spell it and write. After completing the second room letter, now you may draw a line with a pencil and a scale. Dear children, now we are going to write the third Roman letter. Match the following. If you have a space before the second Roman letter, children, you may continue, otherwise take a fresh page. So match the following. We are going to write 5 numbers. So after writing the heading by using a blue stick pen, give a finger gap and write. First letter should be in capital and the third Roman letter should be mentioned in the margin. After writing the heading, you have to give a line space. Start writing the serial number 1 in the margin. Let me read and explain you, children. Murugan, Thirumal, Indiran, Varunan, Kotravai. What you assume from these words, children? Yes, you are right. They are the god of 5 landforms of ancient Tamil Nadu. We are going to write the match the following with the respective landforms. Clear? So Murugan, M should be capital. Murugan, space. The hyphen all should be in the same way, so your note will look neat. After writing this hyphen, give a space to write the answer Kurinji. Whenever we are writing the naming word, just remember, children, we have to start from the capital letter. Using capital letter only you have to write. Kurinji. Spell the word and write, children. After writing the first one, leave one line. Write the serial number 2, Thirumal. T should be in capital. Thirumal. Space, hyphen, space, Mullai. Tirumal space hyphen space Mullai. Don't keep full stops or any other punctuations mark on the end of the sentence, children, end of the word. So after writing the second one, leave one line. Write that serial number 3 in the margin. Indiran. I should be capital. Spell the word Indiran space hyphen space Marudam. Again repeating Indiran space hyphen space Marudam. After completing the third one, you may now leave a line. Write the serial number 4 in the margin. Varunan. We should be in capital space hyphen space Neidal. Varunan Neidal. After writing the fourth one, what we have to do, children? Yes, you are right. We have to leave one line. Start writing the fifth number where? Yes, in the margin. And the fifth word, Kotravai hyphen Palai. Kotravai space hyphen space Palai. Again I am repeating Murugan Kurunji. Come on, read along with me. Tirumal Mullai. Indiran Marudam. Varunan Neidal. Kotravai Palai. After completing this Rome letter, what we have to do? Yes, cover this Rome letter with a neat line, children, using your pencil and scale. Students, now we are going to write the fourth Rome letter short answers. If you have a space, you may continue, otherwise take a fresh page. And don't scribble. You have to use only the cursive handwriting letters, children. So start the fourth Rome letter in the margin. Short questions. We are going to write 2 short questions. Short space questions. Clear? After writing the heading, leave one line. Now we are going to write the first question. Let me read it. List 4 themes of Mullai land ? So whenever we are writing the question, we have to write the question mark, which is necessary one. First question, list 4 themes of Mullai land ? After completing complete writing the question, you may leave a line. Write the answer in the margin. So write with your pencil, children, sharp your pencil. Do this little stars to make your note neat. So with a pencil, draw the stars. Don't leave a line, children. Now take your blue stick pen. First letter should be in capital. We are going to write the themes of Mullai land. So let me read it. God. Give a space, sufficient space, and write the answer Tirumal. God, Tirumal. People, Idayar, Ayar. People, Idayar, Ayar. When you are writing that side, you have to mention this hyphen. Don't forget it. People, Idayar, Ayar. Next one is occupation, hyphen cattle rearing. Occupation, cattle rearing. Give finger gap and write, children. Pronounce and write. Plants slash. What is this, children? Slash flowers. So here the plural words plants, flowers. Don't let the S letter. Don't forget to write plants as plants. Flowers hyphen Goa, Mullai flower. I am again repeating plants slash flowers hyphen Goa, Mullai flower. Again I am repeating one more time, children. God, Tirumal. People, come on, pronounce with me, children. People, Idayar, Ayar. Occupation, cattle rearing. Plants slash flowers, Gova, Mullai flower. After completing the first question, what we have to do, children, for a neat presentation? Yes, we have to cover the first question with a neat line using your scale and pencil. Now we may start writing the second question. So write the serial number 2 in the margin. Now I am going to read this question for you. Now the Palai, that means dry land. Write this word in a bracket, children. Region is formed. Question mark. How the Palai, dry land, mention in a bracket. Region is formed. Question mark. After writing the question, you have to leave one line. What you have to write, children? Next thing, answer should be mentioned in the margin. For a neat presentation, what we have to do? Using your pencil, draw this little star and now start writing the answer with a capital letter. Palai region is formed due to the drying up of Kurunji and Mullai land, full stop. Again I am repeating, Palai region is formed due to the drying up of Kurunji and Mullai land, full stop. After completing the second question, you may now draw a line with your scale and pencil, and remind children, when your pencil is blunt, you have to sharpen your pencil and then draw it. At last, what we have to do, children? We have to write parent signature. You have to get your parent signature, which is very compulsory. Clear? Children, I hope you understand how to write your social class work. Remind all the instructions I gave you. Meet you in the next class. Until then, bye children. Have a wonderful day.